ko na
O kaya
andito sa...
toy, o kaya toy, at sakit.
Gabit ka, di ba? Yung mga andito lang sa kwarto ko.
All things.
All things dito sa room niya. And my first thing is... Where's my... Hala!
Bakit?
Where's my favorite toy? Hala. Saan na yun?
Ayun na nga po.
Wait.
Kuma.
And this is my... pet.
It
Octopus.
is Peppa Pig.
And
Peppa
he's
Pig?
angry, but si Peppa Pig, si George po to, siya lang, OA lang po siya. And
Wala.
now he's happy. Yay!
It's dog.
Doggy,
Doggy,
Na-
doggy.
Si George.
Doggy.
And I forget the lagayan. And water bottle niya po.
Nakalimutan kayo.
Water bottle niya.
It's cat. It's cat.
Large siya. Nagiging small din. And this
Large
is my
siya.
second favorite. And this is my... lagayan ng tali.
Ito yung lagayan ng ano niya, guys.
Ball
ng
pen.
mga baunan niya. Yung nilalagay.
Ito yung nilalagay yung baon niya. And I had 2 ball pens. And my spring. And ID niya. And that in the camera. And don't forget the hairband. Hairband, my hairband. Yeah. Nakatirin ko sa
No hairband.
And ito yung salamin nila, guys. This is a salamin and secret. And don't forget my stuffed toys, clothes, cabinet, and
Laki mata. Laki mata.
and drawing,
Picture.
and
Ito po yung
picture,
and birth certificate niya.
and fan, and obviously Jesus. And so, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video.
Bye!
Bye!